Hello, my name is Bobby. Thanks for joining us for our educational workshop, How to Add a New Chart of Accounts into QuickBooks Desktop. Let's learn more about QuickBooks Chart of Accounts. A chart of accounts is a listing of the names of the accounts that a company has identified and made available for recording transactions in its general ledger. They are used to categorize like items. There are 5 main groups in the chart of accounts. Each group can have subgroups in them. Listed below: assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. In this exercise, you will learn how to add a new chart of accounts into QuickBooks Desktop. I have a scenario for you. Your chart of accounts may have been set up already, and you want to add a new account. A new account can be added to your chart of accounts with just a few clicks. I'll show you how. Go to List at the top menu, then select Chart of Accounts to create a new account in the sub-account. You can also select the account drop-down at the bottom, then choose New to create a new account. Also, you'll select an account type from the list given to you. You'll enter the account details, select Sub-Account of checkbox if it's a child account. From the drop-down, choose the parent account. Select Save and Close. Thank you for joining our educational workshop on how to add new chart of accounts into QuickBooks Desktop. Look for our next educational workshop in our QuickBooks series.